Are you excited? Luna? Oh. Yeah? You being a good girl? Oh. Yeah? I got my little buddy here today. Luna wants to be a part of the video, I guess. She's being very vocal. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Meg. This is my cat Luna, and my dog Bean is eating my cat's food right now. But today I wanted to do kind of a different video. If you don't know, I recently bought a house. Also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I'll put it up here. I post a lot of updates on Instagram. It's like my favorite app to use. So if you want to find out updates about my house and my life in general, I do post a lot on there. Like I said, I just bought a house. It is an older home. It was built in the 60s, so a lot of the stuff has not been updated. And like there's so many projects, like people are like, film like DIY videos, and there's just like so much to do that we've been kind of doing a little bit at a time. But I figured today I would show you guys how I organized my bathroom closet for $10, and it came out really nice actually. So I did post a little preview on my Instagram, and everyone was like pretty excited about it. So I'm excited to show you guys what I did. You know, I like to ball on a budget. Like, I don't like to waste money on like boxes and containers and stuff like that. Like, Target has a lot of that stuff, but you know, if I bought all that stuff at Target, it would have cost me like, it would probably be close to $100 if I bought it at Target versus the dollar store. They actually have some cute stuff, so I will go ahead and jump in and show you what I did to my messy bathroom closet. And give this video a thumbs up if you want more like home DIY videos or home decor videos, because I'm doing a lot to this house. Like, these walls were the color of vomit before I came in here, and John and I painted and everything like that. So give it a thumbs up if you like these kind of videos, just so I know, and it really helps me out. So alright, so I hope you guys enjoy. See you later. Okay, so I just went to the dollar store and I got a bunch of stuff to organize the bathroom. I couldn't believe I found these, if it's gonna focus. They were near like the dorm section, but they're really cute baskets and they were $1 a piece. So I'm really excited about those. But our bathroom closet right now is disgusting. Our whole bathroom is disgusting. I'm not going to show you, but look at our bathroom closet right now. Those are curtains. That is what we're dealing with for washcloths and stuff. Those are the towels that we have left that are clean, but not matching. And then that's like my hair stuff, makeup, Q-tips. That it's just a mess, you guys. Like, we've had so much work to do with this new house, and the bathroom closet was literally the last thing on my mind. But I was watching some organizational videos and some Marie Kondo inspired videos last night, and I was like, you know what, I need to work on this. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm gonna hopefully show you guys what I do to this closet and how I make it look beautiful. So I'm going to put these in here just so it looks nice. And since John likes to throw his underwear on the floor sometimes, if you live with a man, you might have the same problem. I am putting a laundry basket just in the back there so that it can be a little laundry basket for just the bathroom. That is just like a paint splotch on the wall. There's nothing I can do about that, but I think that looks a lot better than having these boxes of just random crap in there. Okay, you guys, I'm super excited with how this turned out. So, a quick overview. This is how it looks now. And like 99% of the organization stuff is from the dollar store. The only thing that's not is this wooden basket. I got that at like TJ Maxx, but I just put my hair tools in there. But pretty much everything else I got at the dollar store, obviously minus the towels. Those are not $1, but so up here I got these two things. I think these are super cool. I kind of couldn't believe that I found them at the dollar store. I was kind of shocked to find those there because they are cute. They're not like too flimsy. I mean, they're not very sturdy, but they look cute and they stand upright. And I just kind of put medicine in that one, and then miscellaneous things like cotton balls and Q-tips, razors in that one. And then in the back, it's even like more random stuff. Like I have like a PMD for my face and stuff. So I put that all the way in the back in one of these. But you can't really see it since it's on the top shelf. Then right here, I have hand towels right here in this basket. And in this basket, I have all fresh pillowcases, which is awesome because before I felt like they were just sitting there collecting dust and not very clean. And then here I just have my towels. I do the white ones in the front and then any colored ones in the back, just so it keeps this nice aesthetic, you know. And then down here I got these baskets. I couldn't believe I found these baskets at the dollar store for $1. They're really cute, and I put my perfumes in one, and then in the next one I put nail polish. Again, that's all my hair stuff in the back. I didn't get that at the dollar store, but I got this container. I just put some cotton rounds in there. And then over here, I did have that from the dollar store. It's just a little, it's like for sauce. Like if you're eating something and you want sauce on the side, but I actually just put my bobby pins in there. And then on the bottom, I actually put toilet paper rolls in this little bucket thing. And that makes it so much easier when you run out of a roll to just grab another one. And then I put that little laundry basket in the back so that we can just throw, you know, some of our laundry in there. And that way we won't have any on the floor. So yeah, I'm really loving how this turned out. And I'll throw up a before and after pic just so you guys can see. Yeah, I hope you guys like this. I just wanted to show you guys that you can have a cute organized space for cheap. So hopefully this gave you some ideas, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.